Hello everyone, thank you for coming to another one of our BEBA Wi-Fi videos. This video will be steered more towards that distributor who is testing the product before he sold it to make sure it's okay, or for the most part the installer that's testing it on his bench before he gets out to the job site. Let's say you already went through the installation, everything went great, you got good Wi-Fi signal, it's working good. Now you got to get it ready to take to your customer's house, or you got to get it ready to sell it to your installer. So your point right here, what you're going to do is you have to delete the automation from your app first. This part is very important. It's actually very crucial. If not, more than likely your customer is going to get a step 3 error when they get out to the site. So very important. First thing is, make sure your BEBA is still connected. Make sure your phone is connected, has good internet, and you're going to want to delete the automation. So you're going to go to admin. When you go to admin, you want to go to advanced settings. When you select advanced setting, it's going to ask your password, right? So not the BEBA password, not your Wi-Fi password. It's asking for your password that you created when you first logged into the app. Place that in there. All right. Once you get inside the main menu, you're going to want to click delete right here on the top. So you click delete, you click OK, and you have officially removed this MAC address from BFT Italy's site, their servers, so you can start from scratch. Now that doesn't disconnect your BEBA from the Wi-Fi, so you will still have to default it. So the next step will be push and hold the one white button that's on the unit. You're going to be looking for a little flash here on the side. All right. Once you saw that little quick flash, the BEBA will reset itself and you'll be able to connect to the mini Wi-Fi again and get started again from the beginning. Rule of thumb, me, because I'm a little OCD and I like to make sure, I normally default it twice and then I'll give it to the customer and go over. This is just after testing it, if you didn't just give it to them right away. Thank you very much, and we'll get another video out shortly.